What is up? It is the Anonymous Sneakerhead, the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game. Back with another video for you guys today, man. And in today's video, we do have another episode of Sneaker Talk. This is episode 18 of Sneaker Talk. So those of you that have been around, are used to my Sneaker Talk episodes. Those of you that are new, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, join the channel. We just hit 663 subscribers. The goal is to hit 1,000 by the end of the year. Let's see if we can hit 700 before September comes, before the end of this month. I know we can do it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button to join the family and join the Anonymous Sneakerhead channel. Also, if you're liking the content, if you're digging what I'm putting out, go ahead, hit that like button. And then, because the like button, man, it really helps with the algorithms, helps new people see the video, helps potentially bring new people to the channel. And then last but not least, go ahead and follow the Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of content up there. First, for example, the first thing I'm going to talk about today was up there on the Instagram account, and that was that last week, as you guys may know, you would have seen it on my Instagram. I don't think I talked about it in the video, but last week I did order the Air Max 90 in the total orange colorway. Really, really dope shoe in my opinion. I ordered it off of Godap, and it said confirmed, and it was saying confirmed. For those of you that know how Godap works, you buy a shoe, the seller confirms it, he sends it out to Goat, they authenticate it, send it out to you. It's a whole process, and you get updated step by step as the process goes on from Godap. That's part of the reason why I really like them. But I ordered it last week, I want to say Thursday or Friday, and it said confirmed. When I woke up this morning, my order was canceled, meaning that the seller was not sending the shoe out, which is pretty annoying because it was a shoe that I was looking forward to getting in hand. Now, as we move forward, this week we do have, now I can't remember if it's the 6th or the 8th. For whatever reason, both of those dates are in my head. I'm pretty sure it's the 8th though, but we are getting the CoJP Air Jordan 1 and we're getting the Satin Snakeskin Women's Air Jordan 1. Now, today, after I'm done recording this video, I'm going out, gotta beat the rain, you know what I mean? It's supposed to get a big storm up here, but I'm going out to beat the rain, gotta enter in the raffles at Eblin's, at all of the Eblin's I usually do, because they are going to be able to raffle off, they are going to be raffling off both the CoJPs and the women's snakeskins. So, hopefully I could get my hand on at least one pair of both of those. They will be resold. I'm letting you know right now. I really just wanted to do the video for you guys, and then they're walking the plank. Probably won't hit anybody over the head too hard with them. If I could get more than one pair of the CoJPs, and I may keep a pair of the CoJPs for me, but I'm not too excited about them. As you guys know, I'm not the biggest Jordan 1 guy. I do resell a lot of my Jordan 1s. And then obviously the woman's snakeskin, the satin snakeskin, there's nothing I could do with them. If that wasn't my size, that's a shoe I would keep. But women's sizes, you know what I'm saying? Another one for the women, they get all the dope colorways. But here we go, man. That's another women's one. Hopefully, like I said, I'll be able to get it in hand, get my hands on it, do a review for you guys, show it to you, show you the video, and then make them walk the plank as Skip Goes Hard would say. And then same thing with the CoJPs. It would be dope if I could get multiple pairs of each one, but that's why I'm entering in a bunch of different raffles. My finish line raffle didn't go through for the CoJP. Surprise, surprise. I've never won anything on finish line. Then the CoJPs are only up on Foot Locker out of the other foot sites, and since it's up on Foot Locker, I did enter there. It's only up on one store near me, so I couldn't enter in 3 stores. The Satin Snakeskins are only up on, I believe, I want to say Foot Locker and Champs, at least in the stores in my area. And I did enter in those, so hopefully I can hit on those. But super excited to see what's coming on for the rest of the week. So I'm not too upset about my GOAT order being canceled, because in a perfect world, if I am able to hit on multiple raffles, that's just more money I could put towards that, and that's more money I could flip. Also, coming up later, the next shoe that I actually want for myself, you know what I'm saying? I'm talking about 2 shoes I'm going to flip. A shoe that just got canceled. August to me isn't that great of a month as far as shoes that I want. I know there's a lot of releases coming out that a lot of people are interested in, but as far as shoes that I want, the next sneaker that's coming out in August that I would really like to have for myself is that Indigo 12. And I'm a little worried about that Indigo Jordan 12 just because I haven't seen it on the sneakers app yet. I haven't seen it on any other apps yet, and it is slated to release, I believe, August 8th. So that's interesting that I haven't seen it pop up on the apps yet. I bet you as soon as I'm done recording this video, it's going to pop up on there, and everything that I just told you is going to be asinine. But it is what it is. And then the other thing too, we are getting the Union 4s, which I think are absolutely disgusting, but I will be trying to get them for two reasons: A, for a video for you guys, and B, so I could flip them, make some bread, because as ugly as they are, people are still going to pay top dollar for them just because it says Union on there, man. But that is it for this video. Just wanted to go over those things really quick. Godap isn't 100% perfect. I still, even after my experience today, I'll still take Godap over StockX any day, because it is what it is. I understand it from both the seller and the buyer side, so I understand that sometimes things get canceled. I personally, as a seller, have never canceled anything, but I understand how that's possible. Wanted to go over that. Wanted to go over those two Air Jordan 1s. And then that Indigo 12. That's really my mindset right now. Things moving forward. Still trying to figure out the whole move out date for me. You know what I'm saying? COVID got everything shut down, changed up my work schedule. Might not even need to move because I might not need to be in the office as many days a week as I thought I would. So that could potentially be a good thing. But that is it for this video, you guys. I am the Anonymous Sneakerhead. If you are new here and you like the content, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Join the channel. We're at 663 subscribers right now. Let's hit 700 before next month. And let's hit 1,000 by the end of the year, man. I know we could do it. Those are my goals. Also, since you made it this far, I know you like the video. Go ahead and hit that like button, man. It really helps with the algorithms. Helps the videos get shown to new people and bring new people to the Anonymous Sneakerhead family. Last but not least, follow my Instagram at Anonymous Sneakerhead. You get a lot of information up there first. But that is it for this one, you guys. I am the most mysterious sneaker YouTuber in the game, and as always, it's all about the sneakers.